Hello, hi to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. Rajendra Chavan, MG College, Armory, District Gadchiroli. Now we are going to learn more details about the gene interaction. Genes, how the genes are interacted. That means what is genes? Genes is a hereditary factors which is transmitted from one generation to the next generation, which is located on the chromosomes, that is known as a genes. The phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in various ways in the development of single characters of an organism is known as a gene interaction. What is gene interaction? The phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other. Genes, two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in a various way in the development of single characters of an organism is known as a gene interaction. Once again, let's see the definition. Here the gene interaction. Gene interaction is the phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in a various way in the development of a single characters of an organism is known as a gene interaction. Most of the characters of living organisms are controlled or influenced or governed by the collaboration of several different genes. Mendel and other co-workers assume that characters are governed by single genes, but later it was discovered that many characters are governed by two or more genes. Such genes affect the development of concerned characters in various ways. This leads to modifications of the typical dihybrid ratio, that is 9:3:3:1, or trihybrid ratio, that is 27:9:9:9:3:3:1. Genes are the segments of DNA that code for particular polypeptides in the form of specific sequence of its base pair. Proteins are the end products of gene expression, and so gene interactions are between proteins and controlled by the genes. Proteins are the end product of gene interactions, and so the gene interactions are between the proteins that are controlled by the genes. Genes are the segment of DNA that code for a particular polypeptides in the form of specific sequence of its base pair, that is known as genes. The gene interaction means what? The phenomenon of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in a various way of development in a single characters of an organism is known as a gene interaction. Most of the characters of living organisms are controlled or influenced or governed by collaboration of several different genes. Mendel and other workers assume that the characters are governed by single genes, but later it was discovered that many characters are governed by two or more genes. This is the gene interaction. Mendel and subsequent workers assumed that the characters was governed by a single gene, but it was later discovered that many characters in almost all organisms are governed by two or more genes. Such genes later affected the development of a concerned characters in a various ways. Then interaction means what? The phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in a various way in the development of single characters of an organism is known as a gene interaction. Genes are located on the DNA segment. Gene interaction, non-Mendelian inheritance is an pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with the Mendel law. Mendel law stated that law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. According to the three laws, the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is different, and the characters, that means is the characters which is transmitted from their parents, that means the color, phenotypic characters and genotypic characters which is transmitted from their parents to their offsprings. But here in the gene interaction or non-Mendelian inheritance is that there is the color of the dominant alleles and color of the recessive alleles when it is crossed. After all, its F1 generation is different, that is the incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropy, linkage. These linkage, these are the examples, multiple alleles, these are the examples of non-Mendelian inheritance. We will see in the next video, but here in the videos we are explaining only the gene interaction and its types. This law describe the inheritance of traits linked to single genes on chromosomes in the nucleus. If the genotype of both parents in a genetic cross are known, the Mendel's laws can be used to determine the distribution of phenotypes expected for the populations of offsprings. The several situations in which the proportions of phenotypes observed in the progeny do not match the predicted values. Mendelian inheritance patterns involves genes that directly influence the outcome of an organism traits and obey the Mendel's law, that is the law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Most genes in eukaryotic species follow the Mendelian patterns of inheritance. However, there are many that do not. Non-Mendelian inheritance is the general terms that refers to any patterns of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with the Mendel's law. These laws describe the inheritance of traits links to the single genes on the chromosome in the nucleus. Types of gene interaction. There are two main types of gene interaction. Gene interactions are classified as follow on the basis of the manners in which the concerned gene influence the expression of the gene action. First types is allelic gene interaction. It is also known as a intra-allelic gene interaction. Second type is non-allelic gene interaction. This is also known as a inter-allelic interaction. This is the examples to explain the allelic gene interaction and non-allelic interaction. Let's see the examples of interaction of the genes. These are the interactions of the genes. Then what is allelic interaction? What is intragenetic interaction? Allelic interaction is also known as a intragenetic interaction. Alleles of the same genes interact in such a way to produce the new characters. Such gene interaction is known as a allelic interaction or intragenetic interaction. To explain the allelic interaction, these are some terms, some examples are there: complete dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple genes and pleiotropy. With the help of these examples, we can explain the allelic gene interaction. In contrast to allelic gene interaction, there is a non-allelic gene interaction. Non-allelic gene interaction, it is also known as a inter-allelic gene interaction. The independent or non-homologous genes located on the same or on different chromosome interact with one another for the expression of single phenotypic traits of an organism. This was revealed by modern Mendelian ratios. There are 4 types. They are as follow. Action of these factors may be: first one is complementary gene action, inhibiting gene action, that is epistasis. There are 2 types of epistasis: dominant epistasis and recessive epistasis. Duplicating factors, supplementary factors, or modifying genes. Such type of gene interaction difference we learn here in the video. And detailed account on complete dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance, cumulative genes, multiple genes, pleiotropy, complementary genes, epistasis, duplicating factors, supplementary factors, we will discuss in the next video with the help of different examples. With the help of examples, we will explain it very well. But before going to detailed account on complete dominance, incomplete dominance, codominant, we should know that what is the difference between the allelic and non-allelic gene interaction. I hope that you are getting well the allelic and non-allelic interaction difference. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.